दिल्ली स्पेशल पुलिस एस्टैब्लिशमेंट के बिल जो लाया उसका मैं स्वागत करता हूँ। जैसी संस्था जो इस देश के हर व्यक्ति को लगता है जब भी कोई बड़ा गुनाह होता है उसका संशोधन नहीं होता है, तब एक ही ऐसी संस्था है कि जिसके ऊपर विश्वास कर सकते हैं कि भाई सीबीआई के पास जांच के लिए जाए। अब सीबीआई जांच करेगी तो लोगों को उस जांच के जो निर्णय प्राप्त होते लोग उस पर विश्वास करते हैं। लेकिन हाल ही में जो हालत सीबीआई की हुई, जिस तरह से एवरीबडी रिडिक्यूल्ड सीबीआई, not only criticized, they ridiculed the CBI to the extent that the Supreme Court also ridiculed the CBI once. और ये जो बात हुई उसकी वजह से हमारे दोस्त जो उन्होंने जो क्रिटिसाइज किया, बुरा लगा होगा कि स्वीपिंग क्रिटिसिज्म नहीं करना चाहिए था, ठीक है, लेकिन फैक्ट रिमेन्स द फैक्ट। क्यों हुआ? अब ऐसी स्थिति में हाल ही में अभी शॉर्ट पीरियड में हमारे सीबीआई के डायरेक्टर रिटायर्ड होने जा रहे हैं और हम उनकी जगह किसी को नियुक्त करना चाहते हैं। Reading between the two lines was that they did not even appreciate the role, whatever has happened. The Supreme Court did not appreciate it. Let it be very clear on the pictures of that. I do remember that what he had said. I do not know the verbatim what the Honorable Supreme Court had said, but I do remember there was something which was reading between the line, and they wanted to criticize the functioning of the CBI. Anyhow, but then we were the party, we were criticizing the CBI at that time. We were together while criticizing the CBI at that time. Anyway, but then right now I welcome this bill because the new appointment has to be done in a due course of time. And the clause which was saying that 2 members of the government, 1 from the opposition. As the opposition leader is not there, we have really welcomed, I really welcome this idea. We have shown a big heart for that. Let the biggest party representative will be there. But in that case also, the second clause is little bit dangerous, No appointment of a director shall be invalid merely by reason of any vacancy or absence of a member in the committee. There lies the problem. If that leader from the opposition or the leader of the biggest party, largest party, remains absent or deliberately remain absent, I do agree the government cannot go on waiting for that. But they also should be made responsible. How can they run away from this? They also cannot be run away. Therefore, my colleague has already given, if they do not want to come, let the other party, which is second largest, should also come over there. It may be ridiculous. It may look ridiculous, definitely. But then what is to be done? Unless that they are there, I hope the bill, let them come and say that we are also committed for this bill. And we also take a onus of it. We also take a responsibility that we will be there while participating in this appointment of this CBI director. They should be there. And they should not go on criticizing outside the house. They are being given liberty to speak in the house, be the party to this bill. Whatever they wanted to say, let them say it on the floor of the house, but they are not saying it. Therefore, that apprehension is there in the mind. I request the government to come clear on this. What will be the situation in that case? If the government will take a decision and the critics will be there on the outside the floor of the house. Therefore, that much clearance I need from the Honorable Minister, and I wholeheartedly support this bill and welcome this bill for appointing of the CBI Director. Thank you very much.